Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Pullen for Algebra 2, Lesson 1.03. In this video, I'm going to go over the skill of synthetic division. Since I've not instructed you on how to do synthetic division in class, you can do this problem using long division if you like. But again, I'm showing you specifically how to use synthetic division. So let me get out a drawing pen. So similar to the long division process, you want to make sure that there are no missing terms, and there isn't. There's an x cubed, an x squared, an x, and a constant. And you just pull off the coefficients. And you make an upside down division sign. For the divisor, what you do is you take the divisor, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. So that's your 0. And you put it towards the left side. You're then going to bring down the first coefficient, the 2, and you end up multiplying, let me get the red out, the 5 and the 2 together. And when you do that, you get 10, and you put it under that second term. You add down, negative 9 and 10 is 1, and then you go through the same process again. So now you're going to go ahead and multiply that new second coefficient, that 1, by the divisor, by the 5. And we're going to bring that right here and add down, and when we do that, we get negative 1. I normally put a vertical line because to the right of that is going to end up being the remainder. And now we repeat the process. We take negative 1, we multiply it by the 0, and when we do that, we get a value of negative 5. And when you add down, you get 0. So this over here is the remainder, so there's no remainder. And you're left with the coefficients of 2, 1, and negative 1. And what you do to find the rest is the variable is going to have 1 degree less than the coefficient. So this was x cubed, this becomes x squared, plus, because the coefficient is just a positive 1, x, and then the constant doesn't have a variable. So your final answer, your quotient, is 2x squared plus x minus 1. Now I got this using synthetic division, but you can do the same problem using long division. So I'm going to do that here. And here you're going to put the x minus 5. And so let's do our long division process. How many times does x go into 2x cubed? It goes in 2x squared times. And now 2x squared times x minus 5, is 2x cubed. Negative 5 times 2x squared is negative 10x squared. And we remember to change our signs. And we add down negative 9x squared, and 10x squared is positive x squared. And then we bring down the other terms. Always work neatly. And now we're back to divising again. X squared divided by x is positive x. Now we multiply. X times x minus 5 is x squared minus 5x. We change our signs, and you're left with negative x. And then we bring down the 5. And we have one more time we go. So negative x divided by x is negative 1. -1 times x minus 5 is negative x plus 5. We change our sign, and here's our final remainder of 0. So notice, using the long division process, we got the same answer. Now there's a lot less writing with synthetic division, so a lot of students like this, but you can't always use synthetic division. Synthetic division only works when the divisor is a binomial, and the easiest way, it has to be a binomial in the form of x minus a or x plus a. So synthetic division is like short division, but synthetic division only works when your divisor is in the form of x minus a or x plus a. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you tomorrow.